Hi children, welcome to my Maths Teacher YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn this grade 10, the first lesson of the second term. Let's learn least common multiple, if not LCM. From grade 7, you have learned how to find the LCM of group of numbers, as well as you have learned how to find the LCM of algebraic terms. Let's remind that knowledge first. Here you are given some algebraic terms: 4x squared, 12x squared y, 6xy squared. First we have to write each term as product of its factors. Here 4x squared can be written as 2 into x into x. Then 12x squared y can be written as 2 into 3 into x into y. Then 6xy squared, 2 into 3 into x into y. Now you know to find the LCM. First we have to find those product of term with their index. Here 2 into 2 can be written as 2 to the power 2 into x to the power 2. Then here 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 into x to the power 2 into y to the power 1. Here 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1 into x to the power 1 into y to the power 2. Now these have distinct factors of 2, 3, x and y. To find the LCM, we obtain the greatest power of each distinct factors. What is the greatest power of 2? Here 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1. Greatest factor is 2 to the power 2. To find the LCM, we obtain the product of greatest power of each distinct factors. Then when we consider 3, here 3 to the power 1. Then consider x to the power 2, x to the power 2, x to the power 1. They are x to the power 2. Then when we consider it, we can obtain greatest power of y is y to the power 2. Now we have to obtain the product. 2 to the power 2, you know, that is 4. 4 into 3 into x squared into y squared. When we simplify, we obtain 4 into 3, 12, 12x squared y squared. Answer is 12x squared y squared. LCM of 4x squared, 2x squared y and 6xy squared is 12x squared y squared. Now let's see another example. You are given 24pq, 8p, 10p squared. Now let's see how do we find the LCM of these three algebraic terms. 24pq. Here let's write 24pq as product of its factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into p into q. Here 8p, 2 into 2 into 2 into p. 10p square, 2 into 5 into p into p. Now you know we have to write them with their powers. Here 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1 into p to the power 1 into q to the power 1. Here 2 to the power 3 into p to the power 1. Here 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 into p to the power 2. Now it has distinct factors of 2, 3, 5, p and q. Now let's find LCM. We have to obtain the greatest power of each distinct factors. Here 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. They are the largest power of each these factors. Then p to the power 1, p to the power 1, p to the power 2. Here q to the power 1. You know 2 to the power 3 is 8. 3 to the power 1, 3. 5 to the power 1, 5. Here p squared q. 8 into 3, 24. 24 into 5, 120 p squared q. Now here LCM is 120 p squared q. Now let's see how do we find the LCM of algebraic expressions. Here these two are binomial algebraic expression. Let's see how do we find the LCM. Here also we have to find here also we have to write each expression as product of their factors. Here 5x plus 10. Now you know how to factorize. Here the 5 is the factor. When we take 5 out of brackets, here x plus 2. Here 3x minus 12. When we take 3 out of brackets, x minus 4. Here 5 times x plus 2, 3 times x minus 4. Now here we can see that each index is 1. They have 4 distinct factors. What are they? 5, 3, x plus 2 and x minus 4. Now the LCM, or you know the way of finding the LCM now? We have to obtain the product of largest power of each distinct factors. When we take 5, index is 1. Here when we write in this way, 5 to the power 1, x plus 2 to the power 1. 3 to the power 1, x minus 4 to the power 1. Then 5 to the power 1 into 3 to the power into x plus 2 to the power 1 into x minus 4 to the power 1. Here 5 into 3, 5 to the power 1, 5. 3 to the power 1, 3. 5 into 3, 15. Not needed to simplify this. We write it as factors. X plus 2, x minus 4. Now LCM is 15 times x plus 2 times x minus 4. Let's see another example. Here 9 times x plus 3 square, 12 times x plus 3 for xy. Here those we have to factorize those. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Here x plus 3 squared now, so we can write x plus 3 into x plus 3. Here 12 can be written as 2 into 3 into x plus 3. Here 4, 2 into x into y. Now let's write those with their index. 3 into 3, 3 to the power 2 into x plus 3 to the power 2. Here 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 into x plus 3. Here 2 to the power 2 into x to the power 1 into y to the power 1. Now it has distinct factors of 3, 2, x, y and x plus 3. Now to find the LCM, we obtain the product of powers of each distinct factors. Here 2 to the power 2 is the largest power. Then when we consider 3, there is 3 to the power 2. Then x to the power 1 into y to the power 1 into x to the power 3 is here. Here x to the power, x plus 3 is here. Here x plus 3. Now largest power is x plus 3 square. Then we obtain x plus 3 square. Now we have to obtain the product. 2 to the power 2, 4. 3 to the power 2, 9. Here x, y, x plus 3 square. 4 into 9, 36. X, y, x plus 3 square. Not needed to simplify x plus 3 square. LCM of this 3 expression is 36 xy times x plus 3 squared. Look at this example. Here you are given another 3 algebraic expression. 5 times x minus y, 3x minus 3y, 10y minus 10x. Here, it is not needed to factorize. You are given as their factors. 5 into x minus y. Here, the 3 is a factor. 3, when we take 3 out of brackets, 3 times x minus y. Here, we can take 10 out of brackets. 10 times y minus x. Here you can see, again we can factorize 10. 2 into 5 into y minus x. Now we have to do our calculation with these three expressions. Here, x minus y, y minus x. You can see there is a relation like this. Here x minus y, y minus x. Here you have to learn a special fact. The fact is here x minus y. Now here y minus x now. Y minus x can be written as minus 1 times x minus y. What I have done here? Y minus x. I take minus 1 as the factor. When I take minus 1 as the factor, here minus 1 multiplied by minus y, we can obtain positive y. Here to obtain negative x, here the x must be positive. So we can write it as minus 1 times x minus y. You have to keep this in your knowledge. Here a minus b can be written as minus times minus 1 times b minus a. Those are special factors. Special facts. Here, now let's see this one. Here 2 into 5 into y minus x can be written as 2 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1 and minus 1 times x minus y. Here 5 to the power 1 into x minus y to the power 1. Here 3 to the power 1 into x minus y to the power 1. Now there are, let's see the distinct factors of them. Here 5 to the power 1, 3, 2 as well as minus 1 also a factor. X minus y, those are the distinct factors. Now let's find LCM. Here when we consider 5, greatest power is 5 to the power 1. 3 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1. Here we have to take minus 1 also. And greatest power of x minus y is x minus y. Now let's simplify. 5 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 1. 5 into 3, 15 into 2, 30 into negative 1 into x minus y. We have to multiply 30 and negative 1. 30 into negative 1, negative 30 times x minus y. Not needed to simplify these two factors. Now LCM of these three expressions are minus 30 times x minus y. You have to keep those in your mind. Let's learn LCM of binomial expressions further. Here 4 times p minus 3. Here p squared minus 9. Here we have to write those expressions with their factors. 4 can be written 2 into 2 into p minus 3. P squared minus 9. Can you remember? P squared minus 9. Difference of two squares. This can be written as p squared minus 3 squared. We can factorize this further. How? P minus 3 times p plus 3. Here the first one can be written as their powers 2 to the power 2 into p minus 3. Now 2 p minus 3 and p plus 3 are the distinct factors of 4 times p minus 3 and p squared minus 9. Now Let's find the LCM. Greatest factor of 2 is 2 to greatest power of 2 is 2 to the power 2. P, when we consider P minus 3, P minus 3. Here power is 1. Here also power 1. Here also power 1. Then P plus 3. Now simplify. 2 to the power 2, 4 times P minus 3, P plus 3. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's see another example. Here 2 times A minus B square, 6 times B minus A square. Let's factorize. Here 2. The power, we can write it as 2 into A minus B into A minus B. Here 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into B minus A, B minus A. Here there is another special fact. Here A minus B square and B minus A square. Here B is subtracted from A. Here A is subtracted from B. You have, this is an important factor. A minus B squared is equal to B minus A squared. A minus B squared equal to B minus A squared. Let's see whether it is correct or wrong. Here A minus, let's simplify A minus B squared. A squared minus 2BA plus B squared. B minus A squared. B squared minus 2BA plus A squared. You can see both expressions are clear. Expressions are equal. So we have to keep this important factor in our mind. When we consider any term, it is true. Here x minus y squared equals y minus x squared. So children, this can be written as here A minus B squared. Instead of B minus A squared can be written as, can write as A minus B squared. Here. Now LCM. Here greater, here 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1. Greatest power of 2 is 2 to the power 1, 3 is 3 to the power 1. A minus B is A minus B square. 2 into 3, 6 times A minus B square. Again I remind, keep this important factor in your mind. Let's learn more doing this example. Here you are given not binomial expression, trinomial quadratic expression. I think you know the way of finding the factors. Let's see how to find. Y squared minus 2y plus 1. We multiply first term and last term. When we obtain 1y squared, then we have to write 1y squared as product of two numbers. There is only one way. What's the way? 1y into 1y. To obtain the positive number, either both terms positive or negative. Here the sign is negative, so both terms are negative. Then y squared minus y, not one right, 1y. It is enough if when we write y minus y plus 1. What are the factors of y squared minus y? Here, you know, we have to factorize 2 by 2. When we take y out of bracket, y times 1. Here we have to take minus 1 out of brackets, then y minus 1. Here y minus 1, y minus 1. It means y minus 1 squared. Then factors of y squared minus 2y plus 1 is y minus 1 squared. Here the factor, when we take 5 out of brackets, y minus 1. Here 1 minus y squared, y minus 1 squared. In further example, we have learned a special fact. Can you remember? A minus b squared equal b minus a squared. So here 1 minus y squared can be written as 1 y minus 1 squared. Now LCM. It has two distinct factors. What are those? 5 and y minus 1. Now LCM is 5 into greatest power of y minus 1 is y minus 1 to the power 2. Now LCM is 5 times y minus 1 square. Now I think this part is very clear for you. Now I have finished the lesson. If this lesson is useful to you, you can subscribe my channel and share with your friends. As well as don't forget to click the bell icon to watch my more videos. Let's meet in another lesson. Goodbye.